that, guys, I want to know something. Go ahead, leave me a comment down below on what bike you guys would like to see on the channel, whether if I should get a 2020 R6 or a 2023 R1. Look at this lineup. We got 1 side-by-side, 2 side-by-side, 3 side-by-side, 4 side-by-side, 5 side-by-side, 6 side-by-side, 7, 8. We got a squad out here. Alright guys, looks like we just got the Capital Raceway like I said. Yeah! Hell yeah! Do that shit again. Look at all the bikes we got out today, baby. With the Gixxer squad, with my peoples. With my crew, baby. You got a Gixxer, you got a Gixxer, I got a Gixxer, we all got Gixxers. Gixxer gang. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Flash GCU coming at you with another video. Today, me and my squad are outside riding, outside sliding. Those that are new to the channel, I'm on a 2013 Gixxer 750. And we're gonna take a little cruise up the Capital Raceway. We're gonna go see what's up there, see who's out, see who's dragging, see who's chilling. Weather doesn't look too good. Looks like it might rain in a little bit, but that's all right. That's all good, no worries. We originally were gonna go to this restaurant, however, we're not feeling it, so we're gonna go somewhere else, go do something else. So we were just sitting at Wawa and we saw a group of like 8 side-by-sides go past us, so they were all saying they're going to Capital Raceway. So we're gonna go pop up there, go see what's up. All my new viewers, all my returning viewers, all my new subscribers, all my returning subscribers, I welcome you. I truly appreciate you guys for checking me out. Once again, it's your boy Flash GCU. I'm out here sliding, I'm out here riding with my little squad of people. We all Gixxer ganged out, baby. Just chilling, just cruising. Ain't doing a whole lot, ain't doing a whole little, doing our thing. I do want to say, I want to thank all you guys for all the support on the videos and on the channel, the commenting, viewing them, liking them, subscribing. I uploaded my first YouTube video back in October without, you know, any real good audio. I was just kind of doing a raw sound video. It was kind of crappy, but whatever. And then fast forward, I posted another video in December of me rebuilding my GX10 motor, or sorry, me pulling my GX10 motor out of my bike. So far, I started taking things serious. I want to say, we started taking things serious in February. And you guys have just shown me a crazy amount of support, and I just want to thank you guys so much. Stay tuned. I got some big things that are going to be happening soon. We're really close to hitting 1,000 subscribers. Once we do that, guys, I got a cool giveaway that's going to happen. So guys, stay tuned for a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away some gloves. I got size large, size extra large I'll be giving away. So more information on the giveaway will be coming out soon, so just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Don't worry, I'll pop a couple wheelies for you guys in a little bit. We're just out here chilling. All those forest fires going on in Canada, you know, it's making the weather be a little hazy, but you know, it looks pretty good now. It's just a little overcasty. Could be raining soon, who knows. Look at the goon. Look at the goon just chilling. K9, Gixxer 1000. My man the goon. See if we can get something talking. You know, nothing too crazy, just something slight. I see a bike on the road and he doesn't wave to me. Gotta love when that happens. gotta love when that happens. Holiday weekend, guys, so it's a little busy out. A lot of traffic, a lot of people heading to here, heading there. I'm gonna slow down, wait for my friends, I'll hit a wheelie for you guys in a little bit. Oh, what's up, girl? I see you looking over here, even with your man in the car. Look at that flyby, baby. See if I can hit a wheelie for you guys. That was weak. I'll get you guys a better one. Don't you worry. Those that are still with me, I truly appreciate you guys for checking me out. Once again, it's your boy Flash ECU. If this is the type of content you guys like, go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below on what you liked in the video. Nice little car you got, bro. That boy was just waiting for the camera. Okay, Zach, I see you. Capital Raceway is coming up, guys. We're probably about 5 minutes out from there. Like I said, guys, we were just cruising, nice little chill ride, nothing too crazy, you know. Little golf course, people out there shooting a drive, little driving range. Go practice your swings. My freaking nose itches. My nose was itchy, 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 itchy. The way that one came up. Sometimes if I don't like the way they come up, guys, I put them down. I don't even mess with it. Ask her, bro. Ask her. Well, it's me. At the second light, make a right. I say that. Go-karts. Little copper doing cop stuff. Oh, that almost looks like it got messed up. Alright guys, those that are still with me, like I said, I truly appreciate you guys for checking me out. Once again, it's your boy Flash ECU. If this is the type of content you guys like, go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Looks like we just got up here to Capital Raceway. We're going to do some chilling, see what's up with these side-by-sides, maybe exchange some contact information so we can get them on the channel. They had a whole squad, guys. It was pretty cool. Alright guys, I want to know something. Go ahead, leave me a comment down below on what bike you guys would like to see on the channel, whether if I should get a 2020 R6 or a 2023 R1. Go ahead, hit me with the comments down below on what bike you guys think I should get. I'll be honest, I put a lot of thought into it. I'm leaning towards one thing. However, I want to see what you guys think. Unfortunately, I ain't got the money to go buy a sick ass Ducati or like an S1000. on, girl. Oh, look at her poking her butt out, bro. How are you? Well, can't complain. Yeah, it's hot out here. Yeah, make sure you drink some water.
No, I just got some more water.
There you go. There you go.
Stay hydrated.
Yes, sir.
Carry the little hood rat.
Parts on the side, get that cash money.
Alright guys, looks like we just got the Capital Raceway like I said. Gotta pay a little bit of money.
Y'all just watching? Okay. We have testing tunes, drifting, back, no present, and dirt play.
This should be 80, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank y'all for coming out and having fun.
Thank you. Yeah.
Alright, so all the spectators are just going all the way up to the top side.
Okay.
There'll be spots up there to park.
Alright, cool. Thanks, man.
Yep.
Capital Raceway, baby. What was you telling us?
The gate parked by those cars, parked by the angle.
Alright. Got you. My man helping us out where the hell we gotta park. That's what's up. I don't wanna fucking park. I'm parking right here. I'm not parking in the grass. Oh hell no. Yeah. Hell yeah. Do that shit again. Alright guys, looks like we just got the Capital Raceway. We're gonna check this shit out. We're gonna see what's up. We're gonna hopefully see some races today. I'll get you guys in 1 second. Alright, peace. Look at the little bike lineup we got, guys. Shoo! Gixxer gang, baby, let's go. Look at these things. Damn. They're all clean, bro. That shit's crazy. Man, y'all rolled up the dream, man. This is goals. Goals right here, baby. Definitely goals. Side by side action. Can't beat this shit. These guys know how to roll. These guys know how to party. This thing's nice. Shoo! Look at this thing. All the cars we got out here today, baby. Roll cages, gutted.
Surely is.
Bringing out the Beamer. Shoo.
That's all right, yo. I built my system. Stock KA engine. Did you pick it up like this? Or did you
240, baby. Let's go. We about to scoot with some side-by-sides. Alright guys, those that are still with me, I appreciate you guys for checking me out. Once again, it's your boy Flash CCU. If this is the type of content you guys like, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on so you guys can be notified when we upload. We just met some side-by-sides, so we're going to go ride out with them, go have some fun. Not too sure where we're going, so we just going to cruise. Once again guys, we were up at Capital Raceway, cool little time, so we're going to go ahead and head out, keep the party going. You guys know what it is. Yeah, these guys are cool, man. There's like a group of like 8 of them all in side-by-sides. They're tagged up and everything. They're just bopping out. Shout out to the homies for letting us come ride with them. Look at this. So if I were you guys, I would go ahead and stay tuned, sit back, grab some popcorn, because this shit's about to get litty. Guys, I think we're heading down to Annapolis, but I'm not 100% sure. We're gonna find out soon enough. Look at this lineup. We got 1 side-by-side, 2 side-by-sides, 3 side-by-sides, 4 side-by-sides, 5 side-by-sides, 6 side-by-sides, 7, 8. We got a squad out here. Power sports, literally all right here. Guys, go give me a comment down below if you guys like us riding with the side-by-sides. We are squatted out today. We got Meemaw over here just staring. out here chilling with the side-by-side guys. Those that are still with me, I truly appreciate you guys for checking me out. Once again, it's your boy Flat TCU. I'm with my homies right now. We Jixer ganged out, and we just linked up with the side-by-side crew. We're gonna have a good little time, just float around, vibing and sliding, you know what I'm saying? We'll prop a couple wheelies, do the damn thing. Guys, I'm a little tired. I didn't get the best sleep last night. Don't mind me for the energy not being all there. Just a little sleepy, just a little sleepy. Just cruising through the streets. Like I said, guys, we were at Capital Raceway earlier. Had a real good time. Definitely gonna go back to that place. It was lit. Next time we'll make sure we bring a couple things. You know, make sure we bring some snacks, some snackies. Cruising through the back roads. Looks like it's gonna rain. Hopefully it doesn't. I'm really hoping it holds off for a little bit, just because the weather doesn't look that good. Nice little twisty roads back here. Uh-oh. That's not good. Hopefully his one homie that was having cooling issues is good. We're just waiting for the rest of the pack. They're taking long to go.
Certified roadblocker, cuz.
Yeah, I saw you, cuz. I saw you do that veteran move. I was like, oh, alright, Zach.
Think you'd be mad if I jumped in that bitch and rode it?
Bro, that. Yeah. Alright, guys, those that are still with me, I really appreciate you guys for checking me out. Once again, it's your boy Flash TCU. I think we're gonna go ahead in the video. If this is the type of content you guys like, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.